about the Google Cloud Ready Facilitator and how you can be a facilitator at your college or at your university. So here is the link of the same. Once you enter over there, you can see the whole page. It's about the collaborative program which ended on July 8th. Over there, what you have to do is you have to go over at the FAQs. And the first question is how I can become a facilitator of my institute. And there is a interest form. All you need to do is fill out this particular form. This particular form has some of the rules and regulations. All you need to do is fill out this particular thing, and then I accept. I'll show you the demo. And there are some of the questions. The first question you would see is uh, after filling each and everything, the first thing, why do you think you are the right person to become a facilitator in your institute? So this particular form is quite competitive. The facilitator team will only reach out to you when you have completed, you show each and every passion that you have, whether it's about public speaking and connecting, networking, and each and everything. How much connections do you actually have? And these all kinds of factors do affect your nomination for the facilitator program. So first, you can write about that you have attended a lot of events, plus you have hosted a lot of events in your school or maybe in your institute or university, and these kinds of things are going to help you a lot. The second thing is that have you ever driven any program? Yes, you have. You can talk about if you have done any small program, you have been a part of any event or you have hosted an event, that would be a plus point for you guys. And how did you drive the success over there? You can say what were the barriers, like there were students who were not joining the online meeting, then how did you provoke them and each and everything, because since the event would be online, so you have to focus on how to bring the communities more than maybe a lot of people, maybe more than 500 or 500 or maybe 600, so that each and everyone is active and does participate in this program, because they need people who are quite powerful, who can give an uh, impressive impact on the society and on the students as well. Anything else that you would like to share about yourself? You can add a little bit of your introductions and anything else that is related to event management or like event hosting or like networking or something like that. Okay, so this is the whole thing how you are going to you know uh, complete the form. The next thing is that I would like to share is that you have to have a confidence in cloud. Like there would be people who are pretty good in the field of cloud computing, so they can take away your place. So be sure that you join the event, join this first facilitator program the second year. The first year, what you need to do is attend a facilitator program with your being a student. You can win swags as well over there, and then over there you can learn a lot of things like how you can manage everything. How do facilitators? You have to look in each and everything how facilitators manage, and based upon that, you can you can drive your event the next year as well. And the other thing is that be active. This form is only active till March or maybe till February. In the month of February, or in the end of February, in the beginning of March, what they do is they send you a mail in the bulk, and if you respond, because it's a first come first serve kind of event. So what you need to do is be prepared with another facilitator, another partner facilitator, and a faculty facilitator as well. These three people, you, the faculty facilitator is your teacher or maybe someone like your professor or something like that. Be ready with their name, the student, your student ID card, their email address, and everything of these three people. That can be the other facilitator friend can be a friend or maybe a best friend or any classmate who is interested in cloud, so that they can also win this, because you have to make a team, and on the basis of that you are going to represent your college This year, around 100 students were selected from 100 universities, like 300 students were selected from 100 universities. These included the facilitators and the front facilitators, but a team of all three people, so that it up to 300 people as a whole. So I think that it's quite competitive only when you are quite active on the mails. When you receive this mail, just immediately send them, get the information or year back, and then keep it safely by yourself. And then what you need to do is you can send them, and once you receive the email, you can send them to the team who actually reached out to you. And the next thing you have to focus on this is like the quiz actually, the program actually starts in the month of April. So in the meantime, in the month of March, you will have a 20 days or maybe 30 days cloud challenge, or like a cloud training by the people from cloud community. So over there, you have to complete a certain task. Maybe you have to complete the quest one, quest two, like milestone one, milestone two, and milestone three. And on the basis of that, you will be upgraded, or maybe your college will be qualified for the finals. This year, there were a lot of colleges. Maybe 150 were selected, but only 100 colleges could qualify at the end, because the students over there, one if any one of the student completes each and everything, then you can go ahead, your college is qualified, or maybe your university is qualified. So that's a huge task, because there are only 20 days and everyone has to complete each and everything in the span of 20 days, which is quite risky, and maybe like quite hectic, I would say. So if you're comfortable with that, you can go ahead with this. And once you have done, you will be added to a group called Facilitator and the Ear as well. And then after that, what happens is you on